Hey everybody, Silver Boss back here, and as I promised, we're going to do a unboxing. Now, I don't have everything in yet. Some stuff comes in tomorrow, some comes in next week, so we'll do more as they come in. But the business I was talking about was uh, manufacturing t-shirts, custom t-shirts, bumper stickers, automotive decals, window signs, hats, mugs. So what we're going to do is I have some packages, and I'm going to open them right here and show you what I got and explain to you what this stuff is for. So first one, we have a box that came in damaged. But okay, that's all right. I know what this is. This should be labels. And by labels, I mean clothing labels. And there's the pins, which we're not going to even bother to use the pins. We probably won't use the string. But this is the ones we're after. Clothing labels. Now, I'm going to print my own custom stickers for my company, which is Silver Boss 43. So it's going to be Silver Boss Customs, and the logo is going to be a SB over a 43. So we'll make the custom stickers. They'll go under here, and you'll be probably wondering how I'm going to stick these onto the clothes. Don't worry, I got that handle too. This package, we'll go ahead and cut this one open. We've got our tag gun. And this is another set of tags. Because the black ones are going to be my company logo. And then these white ones that say style and everything. It'll have the size on here. We'll put a price on it. Number will be the number of shirt that it is off the run. So you'll know exactly how many shirts have been run before you got one. It'll be on your tag. So it's kind of like having a serial number to your product. But anyway, we take one of these, we put one of these on top, and we use this gun, which has those little plastic tabs you're used to seeing at the store on all your clothes where you have to pull the tags off. This is what they use to put those on. So that's going to hold all of our tags. So that's our custom stuff there. So I'll set that down here, move my camera back to the room. Now this should be the transfer tape for the regular vinyl to do decals and stuff with. Take it out. Close it back. Okay, transfer tape for vinyl. Really outstanding, never temporary. Okay, so if you don't know about vinyl, once you've cut your vinyl to have your image and you've peeled off everything that you don't want to be there, this is what you use to stick your decal to, so you can peel the back off, transfer it onto something, you stick it down, and then you peel this off, and it's transferred. But this is only good for the stickers and decals. We can't use this for t-shirts or things, because it won't withstand the heat from the heat press. Alright, our next package, get in here and get her cut open. This has some fun stuff in it. There's actually a lot of important stuff. This is heat transfer vinyl, not to be confused with the transfer tape. This is the actual item that will be ironed on to your clothing to show your images. This one should be black, as the package shows. Let's open it up. Yeah. So there we go. That's 12 inches wide. And I'm not sure how many feet it is. I don't know. This is 12 inches wide. I think this is 50 feet. I think. And then we have an instruction manual for doing heat transfer. Alright. So black is awesome to go onto any color except for black. But since this is heat transfer, this is good for doing shirts, hats, and mugs. Which, I've got an order for a rug right here. This is going to be the new mug. So we'll set this aside. Next box. Inside here. Okay. Now this ought to be all of our colors. Yep. This is our heat transfer vinyl. And there's 2 rows of colors in here. And I think these are 10 feet rolls. So each one's 10-foot roll. And we have all these different pretty colors. Basically whatever color you can think of, it's in this box. So this is going to be used for doing the complex designs for vinyl t-shirt transfers. So that's what we need to do the shirts. Obviously I have my laptop, so that's going to be useful for the software. I'm going to set these down over here. We have this item. Now this is the back side, but inside of here is all these different colors. Let's see if we can pick up the colors. Yeah, so we have all these different colors of regular vinyl, and this is done in sheets. So these are 1 foot by 1 foot sheets, and this will be for automotive decals and window stickers, signs like that. If it's a foot by a foot, we can put it on these and make the transfer. And okay, so that's all for this box. And then we have another box. And in this box, I've already cut my address and stuff off of here, so won't have any issues with privacy on YouTube. Alright, so this is our t-shirt. Now, I got 4 different colored t-shirts, and I got them in various sizes. So right now we've got this cool green, we've got this bright neon yellow, white, of course, and that's just because all these colors will show up really great on a white t-shirt. And then instead of black, I went with a gray. And I got these all in different sizes, from small all the way up to a 4X. So we have a full box of t-shirts. And as you can see, there are multiple shirts in this box. Now the only one that I didn't go all the way up to a 4X on was the yellow. I think that one I only did a couple of those t-shirts. I got 24 t-shirts in this pack. Now, that's a great start. But we don't have our hats yet. Hats are on order. They're coming in hopefully within the next 2 weeks. 1 week, 2 weeks. I don't know. I got a thing from the distribution that they still haven't shipped them out yet. And it's been a couple of days since I placed the order. They apologize for the inconvenience. So we'll see if they hurry up and get it out sooner. But okay, so there you have it. This is the start of my business. I invested quite a lot of money into this, and it just keeps going up. Uh, and if you saw my previous videos, you know that I sent a shout out to my brother-in-law and my sister, or my brother and my sister-in-law, who are in Florida. They got hit with that hurricane. I know their power is out, the internet's down, and cell phone reception is spotty. A friend of mine is heading down there this weekend, so I'm sending him a care package. So just to let you know, guys, if you're watching my video, got a care package coming to you. Now, Saturday, my friend who's going down there, we're going to take some time and we're going to do some heat printed t-shirts. She's supplying the shirts and the transfers, but we'll be using my new heat press, which is coming in tomorrow. And I'll try to make a video on that, but I got a lot going on tomorrow, so I may not get that out yet. Because she's doing hurricane relief t-shirts. So I guess these are going to be given out to people down there. So that's cool. I'm glad I get to help out a little bit in my own little way. And I'm really happy that she's going down there because a lot of people are going to be needing help. So anyway, as promised though, I told you I'd make you a video. I saved up the stuff. This stuff come in. This came in yesterday, and the rest of this stuff came in today. So here's your video. So like and subscribe, follow along, check out the new stuff as it pops up, and hit that little notification bell so you get all the new stuff and follow along. You know, let's see how this thing goes. And when I get my store set up and we print up some shirts and send them out, that's gonna be cool. Also, so I told you what my logo is, but I got an idea for the shirts. Now, for my shirts, we're going to be printing our own labels. So these labels will be removed. We will iron in the company name and logo will be on the inside. It'll also tell you the size, and I'll include like the washing instructions and handling. We'll put your images on the front. We'll put your images on the back if you want. And on the sleeves, we're going to put the SB43 logo. It'll be put on the sleeve of every shirt. So you'll have your image, custom image. We'll have our custom logo. You'll have a custom logo on the arm, so people see that. There's brand recognition right there. I have seen some places that will put right along the collar the web store address. I'm not going to do that. If you want people to order from me, tell them where you got the shirt. If not, don't worry about it. Hopefully things will pick up. People will view this channel. They'll follow along. They'll find our store and place some orders because, you know, this is a business. I put in quite a lot of money. And hopefully things will go well. I've already got custom orders for t-shirts. I got some custom orders for automotive decal. So we'll get all that stuff printed up, and I'll show you how we do that once I have all the equipment and it's ready to do that. Monday is when the vinyl cutting machine arrives. We'll do an unboxing for that video as well, and I'll set up the machine and show you how it works. We'll do the test run and everything. So if you're interested in getting any of this stuff, most of this stuff was purchased on Amazon. The t-shirts come from Jiffy.com. Not sponsored, but it's just where I found low prices on the t-shirts. These t-shirts came anywhere from $2.50 a piece to $7.50 a piece. So I bought 24 shirts. I spent just over $100 on the shirts. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So like I said, the rest of this stuff you can pretty much find on Amazon. My heat press I bought off of Temu, so we're going to see how that goes. And then the vinyl cutting machine is from the manufacturer. It's a Vever, V-E-R-O-R, and it's a 34-inch. So all right, that's going to be it for this video, and I will catch you next time.